Hi, good morning everybody. This is a Bella rotating Belgian waffle maker. We picked it up for the holidays not too long ago. It is not the most expensive rotating or flip waffle maker, but it should be a good one. And what I'm going to do today is open it up, show you what's inside, and we're going to make waffles for the kids for breakfast. We've not had this brand before. Our last brand I think was an Oster, and it lasted us about 5 years. But that's with kids using it and not the best care probably with the youngins learning how to use it. So without much further ado, let's open this up. Oh, real quick, the price on this as of, let's say December 2018, I think was under $30. So I'm going to go ahead and put the price right here. I'll look it up after this, but between $20 and $30. So you're not going to break the bank. Let's open it up. Okay, here it is in all its glory. Packed pretty well in this little clamshell of styrofoam. It was pretty much immovable in the box, so really no damage on shipping with this one. So if you want to send it to somebody, that'd be okay. It has a non-stick surface in here that was protected with a little foam fabric in the middle. Comes with directions in a little pamphlet here. This is a non-stick surface. Let's close it. For storage, everything folds up nice and compact, so you can fit it in a normal cupboard. They have the height just right for that. The cord is not terribly long, but you don't want a long cord. You want something that'll sit on the counter and just plug into where you're going to use it. In general, long cords and kitchen appliances aren't a good combination. It has a removable drip tray, that fits in the bottom here. And there are little ridges on there, so you know when you got it sitting straight or square or how they want it. So that's good. Pull that out. And on top, there's a ready light up here. And that means, flip it over, a power light here, red one, and then a ready light. So you're going to load this thing up, I assume. Close it, flip it over, and wait for this green light to illuminate. And that'll tell you when your waffle is done. So pretty neat. Some other things I can tell you about it before we go ahead and make a batch. It does have a 2-year limited warranty. It is BPA free and PFOA free. One thing I always do use when we make waffles, and I'll show you when I make it, is the non-stick spray, the little aerosol. It just makes cleanup that much easier. All right, let's let this thing warm up. You can see the power light is on. Okay, we have the green light. I was reading the directions while I was warming up, and it says it takes between 3 and 5 minutes for that green light to warm up on the initial warm-up. Subsequent waffles will be much quicker, it says. I'm going to go ahead and install the little plate down there to keep some of the mess up. And I've got a little timer down here that I'll start once I put the waffle mix on. As promised, I'm going to use a little non-stick cooking spray on there. Just hit the top and the bottom. And we'll put this on. I put it right in the middle. We'll see if that's enough. We'll rotate it over. Start this. Okay, the timer went off about 2 minutes. We're going to rotate it back. Lift this up, and you can see I didn't put enough batter in there, so you'll figure out what that is. The directions I was reading says if you don't like the consistency of this or the feel of it, if that's a little soft, I'm going to give it another 30 seconds. Turn that over. But the directions did call for you to use some sort of a lubricating oil on the surface as well. So that's not me making it up. It also says use a non-metallic utensil to get the waffle maker off the griddle. So we'll give this another few more seconds and we'll check it out again. The green light, the power light, will stay on the entire time it's plugged in, or the power light will. How's that? Oh, more firm. So we'll plate this up. Pick it up there. So not the prettiest because I used a little bit, or not enough waffle, but it does the job. Crisp in the middle, warm, very thick. I'm going to do one more, try to get the amount a little bit better, and we'll put that on there and then we'll do a quick taste test. Okay, I'm kind of embarrassed I can't find the right little bedroom tray, but I'm going to take this up to the missus, give her a taste test. It's about 7:30 Sunday morning. We've got to get up ready for church anyway, but let's see if she likes it. I am going to keep this part private. I hope you understand. Okay, we're all done. This is the Bella Belgian Waffles in Minutes thick waffle, automatic, rotating waffle maker. Works as advertised. I made 2 waffles with it so far. They taste delicious, and they are a nice firm texture and very thick. Real clean here. I would just wipe this with a paper towel and not use metal utensils on it. So I'd give this thumbs up. As with all my videos, I'll put an update in the remarks in 6 months, a year, saying as of whatever date. We've had it for a year and it's still going strong. So you know it's good. Anyway, that's my review and opening of this Bella waffle maker. Thanks for watching.